Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the midweek update here for the first week in April. So what we've got going on here, I just about blow up the 351 in Clifford, and then we hit the tool truck, and after the tool truck, well, we have some fun with a lot of other stuff. So try to make that big block 460 run, and well, you'll see what happens. So, all right, see you soon. So here we find ourselves cruising around in Clifford with a blowed up 351 Windsor. That's how I know it's blowed up. You can hear it rattling. You know, it's a little far advanced as well, but for what it is, doesn't do too bad. It smokes like a freight train though. I don't know if you can see the smoke in the mirror there. It definitely smokes. No oil pressure whatsoever. Clifford, the big red truck. Hold on, because I got to get a run for this hill. That's 20 miles an hour. That actually wasn't terrible. It doesn't ride bad at all, believe it or not. Ooh, it is not happy. Look at the smoke. No. Sounds like a sewing machine. This old 351 has had its better days. Funny. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here at Mongo's Garage on a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Wednesday evening. Seems as though Mongo's Garage has hit the big time as we have had our first tool truck visitor, the Cornwell truck. Let's see what he's got for sale today.
Oh my god. Oh. Why didn't you sell this?
Are you scared?
Just type it into Google, just like you do every time, Sethy. You don't like their ratchets, do you?
Not many people do. Kenzie, you should buy me this toolbox for Father's Day.
Yeah. What's that toolbox cost, Seth? 10?
12 grand.
12?
Yeah.
What's the white one?
10.
So you're not gonna buy it for me for
No.
250 for these.
For which one?
the screw ones, the ones just like I have.
No. You want that? What else do you need?
The whole truck's just unloaded here.
These are buy one, get one.
What's the difference between your new stuff and my old stuff?
These ones are new.
And what does that mean to me?
They're shiny.
What's shiny?
The wrenches.
That makes it harder to hold on to.
No, it makes you be able to see them.
See them?
Yep, so whenever you like drop them, you can, wow, those are so shiny.
Or when KJ or you leave them in the yard, I can find them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's easy to pick up then.
You can buy these for $400 or $500.
No, I'll pass. What are you buying, KJ?
Nothing.
How about a blowgun? I need a blowgun.
Right here.
Blowy gun.
Oh, that's the one too. Yep. Sign me up. It's for the one that KJ lost.
I didn't lose it. It's somewhere. It's somewhere we don't know.
Last time I was on here, I bought a set of blue picks.
You need picks?
No, I just bought picks.
No, I have stuff at work.
How much cheaper are Harbor Freights?
Probably a lot cheaper.
What are they?
But you're not getting the quality, man.
Let me see them. What are they? What on earth is that? All right.
They're actually really good.
Sales spiel.
What about them?
Tell
They're
me.
drill bits. They're really good.
What the heck is up with the tip?
So he's still drilling.
Yes.
They're really nice.
They
Don't use the sets.
Every one of them has their own bit on the end.
Yep.
Dear Lord. That's neat. How much? 300.
3.
Branded Cornwell?
389.
Branded Cornwell?
Yeah.
So when one breaks, you get a new one free?
Everything above 1/4 inch.
But not 1/4 inch.
1/4 inch above.
Tommy has Seffi.
That's a lot of money for drill bits.
Hey. Whatever, man.
He is a tool guy.
I could care less.
He is a tool guy.
Oh man, these things are great, man. Yeah. Shut up.
Can you do that again, Seth?
No.
Do it again so I can get it for the camera.
No. But these things are so great, man.
You need them, man.
They are great.
Yeah. They are. They're great.
They're great.
All right, so our visit with the tool truck is now over. Both KJ and I are broke now, thanks to Seth and his tool truck salesmanship. So now we're going to come out here and see if we can make his big 1-ton run.
Number 1's driver's side front.
If it were a Chevy, yes. If it's a Ford, it's the passenger side front.
Dang it.
What do I do with these kids?
What is that? What's on there?
It's in there.
Is that what's on there?
Yeah, see the little camouflage right there?
Yeah. Is it snapped?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is an awesome angle of me because it makes me look really, really fat. I'm pretty fat as it is, but so KJ's underneath there turning it over. Seth's going to put his finger over number 1 hole because he didn't bring out the whistle from the truck, which I'm sure he probably has one of. So we can find top dead center of number 1. Then we're going to put this distributor in here and we're going to point it at number 1, and we're going to see if we can make this thing run. Put your finger over the hole, Seth. KJ, you turning that the right way?
I don't know.
Ooh, I hear compression. Chances are you're turning it the wrong way. We need a battery. Stop, KJ. We need a battery.
in the red truck, the Cliffy.
We need a battery so that we can identify which direction the motor turns. I believe it's counterclockwise. And from there, we're also going to need a pair of channel locks, Seth. Channel locks. You have to verify which way the engine turns because I don't remember these things. There are certain things I remember. There are certain things that I care not to remember. Engine rotation is one of the things that I care not to remember. Sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have bypassed all the safeties on the fuel pump because that's the right thing to do. The distributor's in it, and now Seth is going to try and make a run. Contact. I don't think it's gonna run. Sounds like it might be. Try that, Steph. Nope, dead battery. Dead battery. KJ, we need a new battery. Well, we need a jumper pack or a truck with a jump.
Scrapped our last one.
Round 2 now with Henry hooked to it. Hold it! Hold it! Go ahead! Go ahead! Yes, please.
There's a mouse in the
Not
house.
getting fuel.
No fuel.
I don't want, they're showing nothing on the gauge.
Uh-oh.
Is he getting fuel out of the...
That would be affirmative.
There is fuel.
It smells dead as hell, but I think it's fuel.
Yeah, maybe it's just not.
They may not be firing. PCM could be dead, but it's getting spark. I would think if it's getting spark, we should be able to get fire.
With the solar fluid.
Your one's getting on mine. Right down there.
Was it getting oil pressure?
I didn't know.
All right, everybody. Well, that's it for the night. We did make the 460 run, but it doesn't run under its own gasoline because we think the gas that's in it is so dead that it's just not going to run. So KJ is going to get some new gas tomorrow or maybe the next day. Not real sure when, but we'll give it a shot then. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later. Uncle Man's out.